Top 10 discoveries about the Milky Way. 1. Sagittarius A's magnetic fields. Observations by the Event Horizon Telescope, EHT, uncovered highly organized magnetic fields near the supermassive black hole at the galaxy's center, aiding understanding of black hole accretion processes. 2. Galactic collision evidence. Astronomers found remnants of the Milky Way's last major merger with a smaller galaxy, reshaping its structure and providing a clearer view of its evolutionary history. 3. Webb telescope insights. The James Webb Space Telescope imaged the galactic core, revealing more than 500,000 stars densely packed near Sagittarius A, alongside intricate, needle-like structures. 4. Infrared map precision. The European Southern Observatory released the most detailed infrared map of the Milky Way, exposing hidden stars and interstellar dust with unprecedented clarity. 5. Heavy element formation. Analysis of halo stars indicated early chemical enrichment by ancient supernovae, shedding light on how the galaxy acquired its elemental diversity. 6. Origins of Sagittarius A. Evidence suggests Sagittarius A formed from black hole mergers during a galactic collision, offering new theories about the origins of central supermassive black holes. 7. Molecular gas mapping. Studies of molecular gas distribution highlight its role in star formation, emphasizing the importance of interstellar material in maintaining the Milky Way's life cycle. 8. Outer galaxy dynamics. The Milky Way's outermost stars are shaped by gravitational interactions with nearby dwarf galaxies, showcasing the ongoing evolution of its edges. 9. Cosmic ray acceleration. Supernova remnants in magnetic fields in the galaxy are identified as key sites for cosmic ray acceleration, influencing interstellar processes and galactic dynamics. 10th rotational changes in the galactic bar. Observations reveal that the Milky Way's central bar rotates more slowly than previously thought, altering theories about its impact on spiral arm formation. These discoveries provide a deeper understanding of the Milky Way's structure, evolution, and interactions within the cosmic environment.